He's a bad beast on that barbecue, on the grill or the smoker. He knows just what to do. He's a bad beast on that barbecue.
Hey, what's going on, guys? Hey, welcome back to another episode of Bad Beast Barbecue. Hey, today we pulled out the Chargriller, cleaned old girl off. This is the Chargriller gravity fed, man. I know a lot of you guys have had some issues with the flaps and stuff like that. So far, I haven't had that problem, but I don't probably cook on mine as much as you guys cook on yours. So maybe in the future, I'll have to deal with some of that, some of those problems. But today we're going to do some baby back ribs on the Chargriller gravity fed. We have royal oak lump charcoal in here, and we have some chunks of peach wood in here. So let's go ahead and prep our ribs. Let's get it on the Chargriller, and then we're going to be mopping these bad boys with some Hughs sauce, sugar-free. Hey, don't go nowhere. All right, guys, so here are our slabs of baby back ribs. I've already removed the membrane. I'm going to spray them with a little bit of Pam to act as an additional binder in addition to the moisture that's on the surface of the ribs. And we're going to be using my 5-ingredient seasoning here. If you guys don't know this by now, I use this an awful lot, and I'll put the description and the ingredients and the quantities in the description block for you. But it's just simple kosher salt, black pepper, chili powder, paprika, and garlic powder. And I think those basic flavors work really well together. So, all right, that's it. We're gonna let this sit here for a few minutes and get happy, and then we'll get it on the Chargriller. All right, so we got our Chargriller smoking. She's up to 225 degrees. That's what we're cooking with today. And I know you're not really supposed to do this, but I'm going to hit my grates with a little bit of Pam just to make for easier cleanup, and to make sure that the ribs don't stick to anything. All right, so let's get our rack on here. Stick it right up front there. And that's it. We'll come back in a couple of hours and we'll check her out. All right, don't go nowhere. Okay, guys, our ribs have been on now for about 2 hours. It looks like they might be drying out a little. So I'm going to get something to spritz them. So hold on one second. I'll be right back. So we got our spritzer here. And all it is one mini Coke Zero and some water. So kind of thin out the Coke a little bit, even though it's a Coke Zero. There's no sugar in it. All right. Give it another hour. All right, guys, so our baby backs have been on for about 3.5 hours. We spritzed them a couple times since the 2-hour mark. And so now we're going to use this Hughs sugar-free barbecue sauce on them just to kind of close it out. I normally don't sauce my ribs, but I am testing out this sauce. So we're going to do a light coat on it. And we're going to let it stay in here about another 20 minutes or so. And we're going to see what we got. And I'm only going to do, well, no, I'm going to do both sides. I was only going to do one side, but I'm get a set of tongs and turn them over. Hopefully they don't tear. Yeah. Man, even the back side look good. So, put some sauce on here. Get this spread out. Hopefully my arm is not in the way. That's probably a better angle for you guys. All right. Turn these back over, meat side up. All right. We're going to let these go for another 20 minutes. They are tender already, and we're going to see what we got. So, don't go nowhere. All right, guys. So we're done with our cook. Man, those ribs look pretty. Let's go ahead and get these bad boys on the cutting board. And we're going to cut us a couple of pieces and have a taste test. So here are our ribs. Man, they look really good. That sauce and adhered to the rib. Let's go ahead and cut us a piece. Smells great. Hope you can see that. Got a nice smoke ring to it. All right, let's have a taste. Ooh, this smells really good. Can't wait to bite into this. I don't know if you can still see. I don't know if you saw it last time, but it's got a nice pink around the edges. Nice smoke ring, as you can tell. All right, let's have a taste. See how tender they are and see how the combination of flavors worked out. Oh yeah, these are really good, man. The combination of the Hughs original barbecue sauce and that 5 seasoning rub that I put on this baby back rib worked out fantastic. No sugar. And man, these are great for anybody who is watching their sugar, okay? So I know you guys like, man, the last 3 videos he made all about sugar-free. Well, all my videos won't be about that, but you know, I'm just trying to stay on the right path. Got to have another bite of these ribs. These are great, and they're not fall off the bone. And I like them this way because you get clean bite through, but the rest of the meat stays on the bone. I know a lot of people just like the bone to come slipping out, and in case you want to do that, then you can wrap your ribs and make them a little bit more tender, and the bones should slide right out, and then you can put your rib meat in the po' boy sandwich or something like that. So, well, that's about it. Hey, if you are watching your sugar, hey, try the Hughs product. And look, if you guys know of any other products out there that are sugar-free or diabetic friendly, let me know so I can go ahead and pick some up and I can try them out on our cook, and then we all can learn, okay? So my brother, not to put his business out there, you know, is going through the same thing. It's just hereditary in our family. And so him and I talk about what to cook and how to stay on the right path and still try to maintain our pit master skills. So, hey, thanks for joining me today. Leave some comments down in the description block. I love hearing from you guys, man. So give me some comments, okay? And that's about it. So, hey, like we always say, where there's smoke, there's fire. And if it's fire, then damn it, there just might be a barbecue there. Hey, as always, hey, we'll see you guys around the smoker. See you guys in the next video.